Hello students, today we are going to see exercise 6.3 question number 12. Side AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the side PQ and QR and median PM of a triangle PQR. Show that ABC is similar to PQR. So we have a triangle ABC, so we will draw triangle ABC, right? And next triangle is PQR. So we will draw your PQR also. A, B, C, P, Q, R, right? Now given, what it is given, very important. Side AB, BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are proportional to side PQ, QR and median PM. So here median is what? AD, right? Divides into two equal parts. Yes, then here also median is what? PM. You divide the third side into two equal parts, right? Third side into two equal parts, right? Now in given, what we will write? It is given side AB and PQ, BC upon QR and AD upon PM are what? Proportional. If you read the sentence, AB, BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the side PQ and QR and median PM. So we have written AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AD upon PM. Now, next given is what? AD is a median, right? AD is a median in triangle ABC, and next median is what? PM is a median. Okay, this median is very important in this question. PM is median in triangle PQR. Now, to prove, what do you need to prove? Yes, you need to prove ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. How we can prove this? ABC and PQR are similar, right? Now we can prove this by any three criteria: side, angle, side, and AAA. Since in given we don't have any given of angle, right? So this angle criteria we can't use. Only these two are possible. Okay, so we will check which one shall we take. So now, since I need to show A, B, C and PQR are similar, now we have the given data. I will erase this double line. Okay, now we know AB is proportional to PQ, proportional, right? AB upon PQ. Okay, they are in some ratio. Then BC upon QR. BC is corresponding side of what? QR. We will say like this. BC is corresponding side, we will say. Second one. BC is corresponding side of QR. Then third one. AD is proportional. No. AD is corresponding to PM. Okay. Right. Now, see what we need to do. We have to show this triangle ABD and PQM congruent by any criteria. How? See, this AB and PQ are in proportion, AD and PM. Okay, we are getting some ratio. Can we get BD upon QM? Yes, if we get this, we will say then AB upon PQ, BD upon QM and AD upon PM. Since the corresponding side of triangle ABD and triangle PQM are in proportion, we can say these two triangles are similar by what? SSS. We will do it. See, we know AD is a median. AD and next one is what? PM is a median in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, AD and PM is a median in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, right? So now, can I say AD divides the third side BC in two parts, that is BD equals to DC? I can say BD equals to DC. Yes. So can I say this BD is half of BC? If total it is 6, BC is 6, this will be 3, this is 3, right? If suppose BC is 6, BD will be 3, right? So I can say BD is half of BC. Here also, DC is also half of BC. You got this first one. Next one, what you will get here? Same, we can say QM equals to MR will be half of QR. Name this as 2, right? Yes. So you got this, half of BC and half of QR. Now, we will use this given data. AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AD upon PM. Now you know, we can adjust here half. Okay, why? We will see. AB upon PQ equals to half of BC upon half of QR. Okay, AD upon PM. This is known as adjustment. This half get cancelled, right? So just we are writing half BC upon half BC, no problem. Here also you can write half AB, half PQ, right? But we know the value of half BC. What is half BC? Is it BD? Right? You can say half BC is BD. And what is half QR? We'll take QM according to our requirement. Your AB upon PQ and AD upon PM. Name this as equation number 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from third, what can you say? Triangle ABD and triangle PQM are similar. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. But by which criteria? SSS, because see, AB upon PQ, BD upon QM and AD upon PM, right? So we can say they are similar by SS. Similarity. But do we need to prove this? No. We need to prove A, B, C and PQR. So very simple way. Can you say angle B equals to angle Q by CP ST? Corresponding part of similar triangle. Corresponding part of similar triangle. Can you say angle B equals to angle Q by corresponding part of similar triangle, right? Yes. Now, as we have said, angle B equals to angle Q. Now from 3 and 4 and the given we will take. What is the given? Name this as, we will name this as 3, this as 4 and this as 5. Now see, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B equals to angle Q, right? These two angles are equal. And now see, AB is proportional to PQ, it is given. And BC is proportional to QR. It is also what given, right? BC upon QR, right? And we know, here we will write AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR, which is given. So can you say triangle ABC and PQR, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar by which criteria? Side angle, side. Okay, they are similar by which criteria? Side angle, side. Okay.